Sony has made waves in the smartphone market with the introduction of its latest flagship device, the Xperia 1 Mark V. This cutting-edge smartphone is now available in global markets and boasts several impressive features that set it apart from its competitors. One of the standout features of the Xperia 1 Mark V is its unique Exmor T for mobile stack sensor, which promises a significant improvement in low-light photography. Compared to its predecessor, the Xperia 1 Mark V maintains a similar physical appearance, but Sony has made notable improvements to the device's durability and handling. The smartphone features a boxy frame with flat edges, giving it a sleek and modern look. The most striking change is the bell-shaped vertical camera island on the back, which adds a touch of elegance to the appearance. Sony has taken durability seriously with the Xperia 1 Mark V, as both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This latest iteration of Corning's tough glass technology enhances the device's resistance to scratches and accidental drops. The use of Gorilla Glass Victus 2 ensures that the Xperia 1 Mark V can withstand everyday wear and tear, providing users with peace of mind. To enhance the grip and handling of the device, Sony has added a grippy texture to the back and side frame. This textured finish not only adds a premium feel, but also improves ergonomics, reducing the chances of accidental slips and drops. The attention to detail in the appearance and build quality ensures that the Xperia 1 Mark V is both stylish and practical. The Xperia 1 Mark V boasts a stunning 6.5-inch 4K OLED display, providing users with a visually immersive experience. The display's 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid scrolling, making interactions with the device feel incredibly responsive. With an aspect ratio of 21:9, the Xperia 1 Mark V's display is perfect for enjoying widescreen content, such as movies and games. While the top and bottom bezels are moderate in size, they house the front camera in the top bezel. This positioning maintains a clean and unobstructed display, while allowing for selfies and video calls. The inclusion of an IP68 water and dust resistance rating is a notable feat considering the device still features a 3.5mm audio jack and a microSD card slot, which are often omitted in favor of water resistance in other smartphones. The Xperia 1 Mark V by Sony impresses with its powerful hardware, making it a formidable flagship device in the smartphone market. Equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, this smartphone delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks and multitasking. Sony recognizes the challenge of managing heat generated by large smartphone cameras, and they have addressed this issue with the Xperia 1 Mark V. The device features a 60% larger heat diffusion sheet volume compared to its predecessor, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. This innovation helps maintain optimal camera performance even during prolonged usage, allowing users to capture stunning photos and videos without worrying about overheating. Powering the Xperia 1 Mark V is a robust 5000 mAh battery, providing ample power to support a full day of usage. The smartphone supports 30 watts wired charging, which enables users to quickly recharge their device. In just 30 minutes, the Xperia 1 Mark V can reach a 50% charge, minimizing downtime. Additionally, the device offers wireless charging capabilities, and even features reverse wireless charging, allowing users to charge other compatible devices by simply placing them on the back of the Xperia 1 Mark V. Sony aims to ensure long-term battery performance, and they claim that the Xperia 1 Mark V's battery will retain a minimum of 80% of its capacity after 3 years of use. This commitment to battery longevity offers reassurance to users who rely on their smartphones over an extended period. Out of the box, the Xperia 1 Mark V runs on Android 13, providing users with the latest software experience. Sony takes pride in delivering a clean and minimalistic user interface, free from excessive bloatware. Instead, they have included their pro-grade creator center apps, such as Photography Pro, Videography Pro, Cinema Pro, and Music Pro. These applications cater to photographers, videographers, filmmakers, and music enthusiasts, offering advanced features and controls for a professional-grade creative experience. Sony continues its tradition of delivering impressive camera systems with the flagship Xperia 1 Mark V. This time, the primary camera stands out with its remarkable capabilities. The 52-megapixels unit features an f1.9 lens and Exmor T stack sensor, which is 70% larger than its predecessor. While the photos are captured at 48 megapixels due to the 4.3:3 aspect ratio, they are further binned to produce high-quality 12 megapixels images in normal mode. In addition to the impressive primary camera, the Xperia 1 Mark V retains the versatile 85 to 125mm f2.3 f2.8 12 megapixels telephoto camera with continuous zoom from its predecessor. This allows users to capture distant subjects with clarity and detail. The smartphone also features a 12-megapixel sensor supporting the 16mm ultra-wide camera, which benefits from autofocus for sharper and more precise wide-angle shots. Sony has made changes to the camera setup by replacing the time-of-flight sensor with AI algorithms for focusing purposes. These algorithms enhance performance in various modes, including night portrait, daylight portrait, and night view. The removal of the TOF sensor streamlines the camera's system, while still delivering reliable focusing capabilities. Sony has introduced a new feature called S-Cinematic for mobile mode, which brings preset cinematic modes to video recording. This allows users to capture videos with professional-grade colors that don't require post-recording color grading. It enhances the cinematic look and feel of videos, providing users with creative options and authentic color reproduction. When it comes to video recording, the Xperia 1 Mark V impresses with its ability to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second, enabling smooth and detailed slow-motion footage. Sony has incorporated features from its renowned Alpha camera line, such as high-performance real-time AF, real-time IAF, and burst shooting, enhancing the camera capabilities of the smartphone. The selfie camera on the Xperia 1 Mark V is equipped with a f/.9 sensor, capable of capturing detailed 12 megapixels images. This ensures that users can take high-quality selfies, capturing their best moments with clarity and accuracy. Sony's highly anticipated flagship smartphone, the Xperia 1 Mark V, is set to hit the market in late June. The device will be available in 3 elegant color options: black, platinum silver, and khaki green, providing users with a range of stylish choices. In terms of pricing, Sony has set the Xperia 1 Mark V at €1,399 for continental Europe and £1,299 for the UK market. These price points position the device in the premium segment, reflecting its top-tier specifications and advanced features. As for the United States market, the pricing for the Xperia 1 Mark V is yet to be confirmed. Sony typically adjusts the pricing for different regions, taking into account various factors such as market demand and competition. It is advisable for interested consumers in the US to stay tuned for official announcements regarding the device's availability and pricing in their region. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.